When a pallet gets stuck high up on a warehouse shelf, never step off the forklift and stand very close to it. A stuck load can tilt and drop at any second. To stay safe, my advice would be to clear the area and use safe access equipment, like a scissor lift, to inspect the problem from a safe distance. A worker prepares to rack in a 4-kilovolt breaker inside a switchgear room. Everything seems routine. The moment he interacts with the breaker, a blinding flash suddenly appears. Within seconds, a powerful arc flash occurs. The incident develops so rapidly that reacting becomes nearly impossible. This safety alert highlights a serious workplace accident involving manual material handling at a manufacturing plant. A team of workers attempted to move heavy, oversized wooden panels without synchronized coordination or specialized mechanical aids, causing the load to collapse. One worker was struck by the falling panels, resulting in severe injuries. This incident serves as a critical reminder to utilize material handling equipment like forklifts or dollies instead of relying solely on manual labor. Proper loading techniques, maintaining safe exclusion zones, and wearing essential PPE, such as hard hats and steel toe boots, are vital to mitigate risks. Furthermore, rigorous safety training and clear communication are necessary to prevent such life-altering consequences. This footage captures a critical safety breach where a forklift, transporting unsecured metal frames and pallets, experienced a sudden load collapse. Because the cargo was stacked above the line of sight and not properly fastened, the frames tumbled forward as the vehicle approached a work zone. Fortunately, split-second reflexes allowed nearby workers to narrowly avoid injury. This incident highlights several technical failures. The operator moved forward despite an obstructed view, violating the protocol to drive in reverse, and the load lacks stabilization straps, causing a dangerous shift in the center of gravity. To prevent such risks, operators must use spotters for high loads. Logistics teams must ensure cargo is centered and secured, and pedestrians must maintain a strict buffer zone. Safety is a shared responsibility. A single moment of negligence is never worth the risk. On the evening of the 20th of January, 2026, a serious industrial incident occurred when a worker leaned into a laser cutting machine's path to adjust a workpiece. Lacking situational awareness of the automated trajectory, he became pinned between the gantry and the frame. Co-workers quickly activated the emergency stop to free him. This mishap highlights critical root causes: the encroachment of safety zones without guarding, operational oversight of automated movements, and a lack of presence-sensing safeguards like light curtains. To prevent future accidents, facilities must strictly enforce lockout-tagout protocols and provide comprehensive training on equipment danger zones. Implementing redundant safety sensors and maintaining constant individual vigilance are essential. This serves as a vital reminder that respecting machine boundaries ensures every employee returns home safely. This footage captures a high-stakes failure involving a massive 1A9DG diesel generator at a railway facility. During a hoist by an overhead crane, the load-bearing cable snapped, causing the multi-ton engine to plummet and crush nearby structures. This incident serves as a critical safety reminder. Always conduct pre-lift inspections of cables and hooks for wear or fraying. Never exceed the rated lifting capacity, RLC, of the crane or rigging hardware. Strict exclusion zones must be enforced to keep personnel clear of the drop zone. Additionally, proper rigging techniques are essential to prevent uneven weight distribution and domino effect cable failures. Such events underscore the necessity of rigorous safety management and protocol compliance in all industrial environments. This footage captures a serious industrial accident at a loading dock, serving as a sobering reminder of workplace hazards. The incident occurred when a semi-truck unexpectedly pulled away from the bay while loading was still in progress. At that moment, A forklift operator drove into the empty space, falling from the dock and overturning on the pavement below. This highlights the necessity of strict safety protocols to prevent early pullouts. Truck drivers must never move without a formal, all-clear signal. Facilities should utilize dock locks or wheel chocks to secure trailers. Crucially, forklift operators must always wear seat belts to remain protected within the safety cage during a tip-over. Communication and visual verification are vital. Workplace safety is a team effort where a single mistake can lead to equipment failure. A truck driver approaches the side of his vehicle to check the load. Everything seems normal. Inside the truck bed is a massive steel coil. While inspecting the tires, the driver unknowingly stands in a dangerous position, and at that moment, the coil begins to move. The massive cylinder starts rolling and quickly gains momentum, heading directly toward where the driver is standing. There is almost no time to escape. The situation becomes critical in an instant. Cylindrical loads may appear stable from the outside, but even a slight imbalance can cause them to move on their own. That is why standing in line with such loads is one of the greatest risks. This footage captures a high-risk incident in an auto repair shop where a technician welding under a vehicle's chassis accidentally ignited the interior due to a lack of spark containment. Stray embers smoldered within the cabin for over a minute while the worker remained completely unaware. Only after flames engulfed the cockpit did bystanders raise the alarm. Fortunately, staff used portable extinguishers to suppress the fire, preventing injuries despite heavy property damage. This serves as a vital reminder to prioritize hot work safety. Always remove or shield flammable materials like seats and mats before welding. Furthermore, a dedicated fire watch should monitor the vehicle interior for immediate signs of ignition. Proper training and post-work monitoring are essential to prevent such oversight. Workplace safety is everyone's responsibility. This video captures the high-risk industrial accident at a tire repair shop where a sudden buildup of internal pressure during inflation leads to a violent rupture. The force of the blast sends debris flying, directly impacting a technician nearby. To prevent such catastrophic failures, it is vital to use a steel safety cage to contain potential ruptures and maintain a safe distance using clip-on air chucks with extension hoses. Workers must rigorously inspect tires for structural fatigue or cracks and strictly adhere to manufacturer PSI limits using accurate gauges. Never let complacency lead to a life-changing accident. This footage captures a serious warehouse accident during a routine unloading task. Due to an unbalanced load or exceeding the weight limit, the forklift lost its center of gravity, causing the rear wheels to lift and the vehicle to tip forward. In a moment of panic, the operator attempted to jump from the cabin but was trapped beneath the overhead guard as the machine overturned. This incident highlights critical safety protocols. Never exceed the rated load capacity and always follow the stay with the vehicle rule. If a tip-over occurs, operators must stay in the seat, grip the wheel, and lean away from the impact rather than jumping. Proper certification and maintaining level ground are essential. Safety must remain the top priority to prevent such life-altering consequences. It is easy to lose your situational awareness on a job site.
Even if you know about a drop,
it only takes 1 second of forgetting to step backward without checking. To stop accidents, workplaces must install strong fall barriers. When working on an open roof, using a stepladder to adjust heavy wooden beams is a massive hazard. If a heavy beam slips and drops, it can strike the ladder and instantly knock everything over. To prevent this, workers must use stable scaffolding and wear proper fall protection. Pushing down old walls by hand is dangerous because you cannot control where the heavy debris goes. Here, The falling wall starts a chain reaction that knocks down the nearby concrete pillar. Fortunately, the man was not injured, but it could have ended much worse. These two men drop a pot of boiling liquid because one of them trips over an object, which was lying on the floor. Before moving anything hot and heavy, you must always clear the floor of all obstacles to prevent dangerous accidents.